Hi crafters, Priscilla here with a really fun project for 2019, a DIY desk calendar. This calendar comes with 12 insert cards that are ready to decorate. It's a great way to show your creativity every month. So let's get started. Okay, here's an overview of the materials I used to make my January calendar card. I used Trinity Stamp's Snowflake Kisses stamp and their vanilla snowflake sprinkle embellishments. Next is this DIY calendar kit from Paper Source. I'm going to insert a picture from the Paper Source website of this DIY kit. Here's my January card insert and two small pieces of cardstock, powder blue and black. I prep my black cardstock by running an embossing budding across it quickly to make sure that when I go to heat emboss, none of the powder sticks to where I don't want it to. I've applied clear Versamark embossing ink to the stamp and now I'm pressing it down to get a good impression. I apply white embossing powder over the Versamark and top off the excess. Now I go around my stamped piece with a soft paintbrush and just try to remove any excess embossing powder that may have stuck to the card. Then I heat embossed it off camera. Next I add some liquid adhesive glue to the back of the cardstock image and then adhere it over the blue cardstock mat. Before then adhering both things onto the January calendar insert itself. And last but not least, this is the fun part. I add some snowflake embellishments, scatter them around the stamped image, and finish the card off with a red heart on top of the Y in the word you. That's it. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching me make my January desk calendar, and I'll be back in February to show you what my next month looks like. Until then.